कहते हैं जहाँ चाह है वहाँ राह है और जहाँ आदत नहीं वहाँ जहाँ है. Hi friends, I am Dr. Ashita Nangaonkar, founder of Alkanand Homeo Care Clinic, homeopathic consultant and psychological counselor, and you're watching my very own channel Alkanand Clinic. Welcome back to our addiction de-addiction series. In my previously listed two videos, I have already talked about definition of addiction, how to analyze the addiction and how to start with de-addiction. Also, I have talked about behavioral interventions that will help you in de-addiction. In this video, I will be talking about some commonly headed withdrawal symptoms and its coping strategies. So stay tuned till the end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then press the bell icon now and stay educated. And if you haven't seen my previously listed two videos, go to the I button now and watch it now. De-addiction is a commitment that we make, but each commitment has its own consequences. Sometimes the consequences are so hard that it is difficult to handle on its own. So here are some listed symptoms that I will be talking about today and its coping strategies that will help you in a prolonged way. So stay tuned till the end and watch the video. The most commonly seen symptoms in any kind of de-addiction withdrawal are irritability, fatigue, insomnia, cough, nasal drip, headache, loss of concentration, and continuous excessive urge. So let's discuss each symptom with its coping strategy differently. First one is irritability. Due to the unsatisfied urge, our mind tends to get irritable over any trifles. And the best way to manage it is by relaxing. Switch to yoga, go for a walk, dance, listen to music. Just relax. The more you relax your body, the more your mind gets calmer. Second symptom is fatigue. Our body feels drained asking out for things which it is dependent on. But remember, it is just a phase to be passed on. Just take a nap and increase your body fluids twice the normal. This will surely help you. Third symptom is insomnia. It is mainly seen in stimulant addicts. It might take a while to revert back to your normal sleeping patterns. Remember to avoid tea, coffee and reading books during that time. It might just stress out your brain more, leading to prolonging the time period. Fourth symptom is cough. It is mainly seen in substance addict. It can be overcome by increase in fluid intake and steam inhalation. Remember not to depend on any cough syrup, as our body is more vulnerable to get addicted to another substance. Fifth one is lack of concentration. It is mainly due to agitation of mind because mind does not get what it wants. This leads to lack of concentration. You can overcome it by resorting to a relaxing activity. You can also plan your day out so that you resort to the time slots and you know what you need to do next. Also remember to include a time slot of at least half an hour for an outdoor activity which you love to do. This will surely help. Sixth one is headache. Headache can be easily avoided by eating small snack instead of big meals. Don't forget to increase the fluid intake. Seventh and the most difficult one is the urge. Urge can be the most difficult one to control. But when you are determined in life, you know what you want to achieve. If you are ready to end the dependency, you are ready to end the urge. So these were some of my tips. I hope you found this video useful. Let me know in the comment section if you liked the video and what you found the most useful. For any further queries, you can contact me on the below given details. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned every Monday. Thank you for watching till then.